Good morning and welcome to this Pilates inspired morning routine. I really wanted to make a romanticized, healthy wellness morning routine. I am a toddler mom and I am pregnant, and I'm really taking my health and wellness seriously, regardless of pregnancy, but especially because I'm pregnant. So we're gonna start with our morning beverages, which include Smooth Move tea, which is to help you poop, and this coconut water lemon mixture that I have been sipping on. So the Smooth Move tea is not my favorite. I make it I let it brew overnight and then I just chug it, and then I'm just gonna sip on this coconut water lemon situation while I make other drinks. So I finally am wanting coffee again. There were a few weeks I wasn't feeling it, and I love making this protein latte. It is so good. We have an espresso machine that I make the espresso in, and I add half a scoop of this marine collagen powder to the hot espresso before I cool it off in ice. And I really like the ratio with 4 ounces of the protein shake vanilla milk stuff. It tastes the best. And where it's warming up and the sun is out, I've been wanting the iced latte. And then in the mornings, me and Mariposa sit down and watch a show. Right now, she's really into bubble guppies, and she wants to do every single thing I do. So I did not go out and buy her this mint roller. I just happened to get a second one in the mail because it got lost and showed up a few weeks later after they sent me a replacement. And it honestly worked out for the best because Mariposa wants everything I have. And now with this second, I might need to get a third. I love anytime I'm able to habit stack something in there for me, even while we're watching Bubble Guppies and enjoying our morning beverages. So now it's time to make breakfast, and I have a stage 1 clinger Velcro baby. So she has to see everything I do, and I cannot do everything one-handed. So here I have this for her, and she's figured out that she can move it around and get to any countertop, on top of the dresser, anything she wants to reach. She's now figured out that if she moves a stool or a chair, she can get to it. So that's what we've been dealing with, but she loves to play with the espresso gadgets while I make some breakfast. As of yesterday, I'm on a Eggs Benedict kick, so this is not simple. I mean, it's not this crazy task, but it is a few extra steps in the morning, which is crazy, but if you have pregnancy cravings, you understand. You just have to have it. So I'm making a small batch of hollandaise sauce and poached eggs and English muffins with prosciutto. I didn't want bacon, I wanted prosciutto. And then I added some avocado toast. No, I added avocado onto the English muffin. So anyways, making hollandaise is really easy. You just need egg yolk, hot butter, this little immersion blender, and a little bit of salt. And I actually add a lot of lemon. I love a lemony hollandaise, and this is so good and actually so simple. It's a little less simple with a toddler running around following me, but I crisp up the prosciutto just like you would bacon, and I don't have a foolproof, easy method for poaching an egg. I've just wanted to be a good cook and make really delicious food since I was younger, just romanticizing life. Fancy food is expensive, but if you can figure out how to cook it yourself, you can have fancy meals literally every single day. So that's kind of the drive behind wanting to learn how to cook and make all these fabulous meals. And every morning is not this elaborate. It's just that, like I said, I have this crazy craving for Eggs Benedict right now, and Mariposa is currently not wanting eggs, which 3 days ago I actually did not want to eat scrambled eggs because they smelled and tasted like a wet dog to me, but for some reason a poached egg with hollandaise sauce is just the right touch. And eggs are great for pregnancy, high protein. There's something good in eggs that I can't think of right now. I am doing avocado for some healthy fats along with the butter, and I did 3 eggs on just 1 whole English muffin because I need the extra protein. I'm also making Mariposa like a little mid-morning snack because she actually woke up so freaking early. Cannot believe I gave birth to a morning person. Carter is also a morning person, and thankfully he works from home and just like has a more flexible schedule, so he got up with her and let me sleep in. And so I'm just making her some avocado, raspberries, and these little dried yogurt bites she likes a lot. And I think she already had like oatmeal with Carter or something. So anyways, I'm just going to plate this up and make it beautiful, because can we talk about how when things look so beautiful, like it tastes better? It's just like these little things that can help you like romanticize life and just like enjoy the little things. And yeah, that's my philosophy. Make everything beautiful and aesthetic, and it just makes you happy. And every meal I have at this tiny little ass toddler table with Mariposa. And if you didn't know you could cheers with anything, you can. So here we are cheersing raspberries, and even if we have the same exact things on our plate, she wants whatever's on mine, so we just share. All right, morning skincare time. So I love this Colossal Eau de Lait cleansing milk. I do not have acne prone skin whatsoever, and this is like heavily fragranced, so I don't have sensitive skin either. This is just totally fine for me to wash off like my skincare from the night before, and I think it just smells so good. Karl Lagerfeld used to bathe in this stuff. It makes your skin so soft and clean and hydrated, and that's just kind of like what I use to wipe off my skincare from the night before. I use a rose water as a toner and humectant to hydrate and lock in all the moisture. I use a vitamin C serum with ferulic acid. This is the Acure brand. It's a lot cheaper than like the SkinCeuticals, and I also have been loving the Rhode Beauty the glazing peptides. It has been amazing. It really does give you this lovely glowy look. Also, I take every single piece of skincare down the neck and on the back of my hands. It's just such an easy, tiny little thing to do, and I need to start doing it down my chest too, but where it's like winter still and I've been spray tanning, I don't want to mess up my spray tan. And then for my moisturizer, I'm using the Daily Moisturizer from Epicurean. It's so nice. It smells amazing too. Again, with the fragrance. I'm really big into smells, and it doesn't bother my skin at all. And yes, I wear SPF every single day, whether it's winter, whether it's, well, I won't say if it's raining. Like if I'm not going outside and the sun's really not that visible, I'm going to be honest, I'm not putting it on. But this is my favorite sunscreen. I have a couple other ones, but this one is really great for babies and toddlers in the summertime too. It doesn't irritate their eyes whenever it gets in your eyes, and it works very well as a primer. All right, now let's get our matching workout sets on for our little Pilates morning. Like I said, I try to include Mariposa in everything. Sometimes my workouts happen whenever she's taking a nap, but here we are getting excited with our matching outfits. And then I'm like maybe accidentally creating a really strong baby / toddler, but I mean, she just loves being included in all of this, and I'm perfectly fine with her celebrating and participating in a healthy lifestyle and learning skincare and strength training. And I mean, when we go on walks, she can literally walk a mile. Like, she has so much energy. Look at her. Look at this. She is just so cute and strong and just thinks it's fun. Like, she doesn't have like this crazy workout regimen. Like, she's a toddler with high energy and likes to do whatever mommy does. Lately, I've been doing this prenatal weightlifting program with Evlo Fitness, and I have been loving it. I'm taking my fitness routine so seriously this pregnancy. It was so brutal healing from all of that, and I just want to be strong. And not gonna lie, it's about vanity too. I want to bounce back and look hot too, but we do a little bit of everything, whatever feels good to my body and is fun for us. And Mariposa, I mean, she loves to be included. You roll out a yoga mat, my baby and my dogs are like, is it time to play? Here's whatever Mariposa got because she's turning into a little vlogger. Anyways, thanks for watching.